Good day everyone, this is Ma'am Aduko, and today's tutorial video I will be discussing about the last part of the fundamental operations of fractions, which is the division of fractions. Our lesson objectives are: divide fraction by another fraction, divide whole numbers by fractions, divide mixed number by mixed number, and apply knowledge of division of fraction to business problem. Division of fraction by another fraction. To divide a fraction by another fraction, invert the divisor or change the divisor to its reciprocal and multiply. So in this example, so our divisor is 1/8, so we have to invert it to its reciprocal. Okay, so 1/8, it will become 8/1. And then we proceed to multiplication. Okay, equals 4/5 times 8/1. So 8/1 is the reciprocal of 1/8. Okay, so 8 times 4 is 32. Then multiply the denominators. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so our answer is an improper fraction. So we need to reduce it to lowest terms or change it into mixed numbers. So we need to do division. Okay, so 32 divided by 5. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. And then we have 32 minus 30, we have 2. Okay, so bring the 2 up as the numerator and then the divisor as the denominator. Okay, so our answer is 6 and 2/5. Okay. Another example, we have here 2/3 divided by 3/4. Okay, so we need to change the divisor into its reciprocal. Okay, so 2/3 times 4/3. Then we proceed to multiplication of the numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then multiplications of the denominator, 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer is 8/9. Division of whole numbers and fractions. To divide whole numbers and fractions, the whole numbers are always treated as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Then proceed as in division of common fractions. So we need to invert the divisor to its reciprocal and then proceed to multiplication. Okay, like we have here in our example, 10 divided by 2/5. So the whole number 10 should be treated as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Okay, then the divisor should be inverted to its reciprocal. Okay, so the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. Then proceed to multiplication. Okay, so equals 10 times 5 is 50, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So our answer is 50 over 2, which is an improper fraction. So we need to reduce to lowest terms. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Okay, so our answer is 25. Another example, we have here 48 divided by 60. So we know that the whole number should be treated as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Okay. And then the divisor should be inverted to its reciprocal so that we can proceed to multiplication. Okay, so 48 times 1 over 60. So the reciprocal of 60 over 1 is 1 over 60. Then proceed to multiplication of the numerators. 4 times 1 is 4 over. Then multiplications of the denominators. 8 times 60 is 480. Okay, so we have a proper fraction. Okay, so we need to reduce it still to lowest terms. Okay, so by finding a common term that we can divide with these two whole numbers. Okay, so which is 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then 480 divided by 4 is 120. So our answer is 1 over 120. Division of mixed numbers. To divide mixed numbers, always change the mixed numbers into improper fraction and proceed as in division of common fractions. Like example, we have here 9 and 2/4 divided by 3 and 3/6. So our fractions are mixed numbers. So we need to change the mixed numbers into improper fraction first. Okay, so to do it now, so 9 times 4 is 36 plus 2 is 38, and then retain the denominator 4. Okay, divided by 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. Okay, then retain the denominator 6. So from mixed numbers, we have now an improper fraction. So we can proceed now to multiplication. But still, our divisor should be inverted to its reciprocal. Okay, so 38 over 4. Okay, so the reciprocal of 21 over 6 is 6 over 21. And then we can proceed to multiplication. Okay, so 38 times 6 is 228. Then over 4 times 21 is 84. Okay, so now we have an improper fractions. So we need to reduce it to lowest term. So we do division. Okay, so 228 divided by 84. Okay, so we need 2. Okay, so this is 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, minus 228 minus 168. So this is 08 minus 8. Okay, borrowed 1. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So we have a remainder of 60. So bring the remainder 60 to the top and make it as a numerator, and then the divisor as the denominator. Okay. Okay, so we have a mixed number now. So 2 and 60 over 84. So we need to reduce this fraction into lowest terms. So we need to find a common term that can be divide these two numbers. Okay, so we try 4. Okay, so 60 divided by 4 is 15, and then 84 divided by 4 is 21. Okay, just a second. Okay, so our answer is 2 and 15 over 21. Still, we need to reduce the fractional part. Okay, so we need to find common term that can divide these two numbers again. So let's try 3. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, so our answer is 2 and 5 over 7. Okay, so that is how you perform division of mixed numbers. So always remember, change the mixed numbers into improper fraction, and then the divisor change into its reciprocal, and then proceed to multiplication. Now it's time to practice your skill. A tract of land containing 62 1/2 acres was divided into smaller lots of 1 1/4 acres each. Into how many smaller lots was the tract of land divided? Well done guys for watching our tutorial videos on fundamental operations of fractions, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. This is Ma'am Aduko. Thank you very much.